Okay, Bobby, this is where I'm getting my information from. We, of course, have West Anacapa Island. I have started a distanced shot measuring over to the vantage point, Campus Point Beach, and coming back to the island. I've stopped at a dimension and I moved my points left to right to square up a field of view from Campus Point. I'm looking at a contour line of 400 feet to a maximum height at a very edge of 480 feet. Seems like there's 40 feet of contour between each of these lines. This is 600 feet here. So we go 400, 440, 480, 520, 560, 600. Anything outside of this area, we start to see drastic elevation changes. I mean, at this point here, we're up to 600 feet. Over here, we're at 800 feet. Now, in the observation, we are looking over the island for an area that is, again, relatively flat. So if we were looking at 480 as our high mark here, and then also realizing that this ridge line that runs out to the western edge of the island is also at a similar height, we have this area of plateau that is relatively flat, within 100 feet from one end to the other. And then we would see the rapid rise. As we're looking, it would be to the left in the observation from Pablo's dog's point of view, and to the right we would see the rapid drop off to the ocean line. And if you actually contend that that is exactly what we're seeing, as that is the only place where we can look over the island and see beyond it without seeing the additional terrain height. We're not seeing anything here because we would see the mountain. Right here is where we're looking over. And if we're looking over that, it's visible. We are not missing 400 feet in elevation. It's right there in front of us.